Welcome back to our channel, everyone. So to get started on this Soul of Spring quilt or table runner, we're going to start cutting out our laser cut pieces. So as you can see here, all of our pieces are cut out for us and they are already fused with flexi fuse on the back. And they're just held in with these little tabs so they don't get lost in shipping. So we're gonna go ahead and cut all of these out, and we'll do that just by snipping the little tabs. And we'll do that for all of our laser cut pieces. Okay, so we've moved on over to our ironing board here. We're on this light box. So we have our light box and our layout guide, and then we pinned down our fabric. So what we're gonna do is we're going to peel off the flexi fuse from the back of each of our pieces. We're gonna lay them down. And then what you're gonna do is take your iron on a cotton setting no steam, and you're going to press and hold each piece for 5 to 8 seconds. And we'll show you how to do that.